guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I slayed this wig. Yes, it's a wig. No, it's not my hair. And it's from Outre. Now, I am late to the game, but I explained everything in the next clip. So stay tuned to see how I slayed this wig. So I'm gonna go into my review for this Outre Big Beautiful Hair for a kinky that I purchased off of Amazon. I'm gonna be honest with you, I think this brand and this wig has been out for a while, but I'm now finding about it because of Keke J. I subscribed to her channel and she posted 3 days ago her wearing this wig, and immediately I bought the hair and I wanted to test it out myself. So here we go.
Damn!
My hair is currently a whole mess right now because I'm going through some issues with my hair vendor, and I have a vlog coming up showing you guys what I'm talking about, but I just took a sew-in out and I need to wash my hair and put in some new hair, so that's why it looks like this. It just looks a mess. So we're just gonna throw a wig cap on. We're just gonna ignore all of that. I'm gonna throw a wig cap on and see if it's just as easy as she made it seem to be to make this wig look fire. And then when I searched on YouTube, it seems like I am late to the game. You guys might be late to the game as well. So I'm making this video. All right, so like I said, this is the Outre Big Beautiful Hair. I bought it from Amazon. I bought it yesterday and came today. No, I bought it, what's today? Tuesday. I bought it on Sunday and it came yesterday. So this is what the hair looks like, the packaging. Blah, blah, blah. I got the color 1B, and this is the hair right here. Now it needs some manipulation so that it can look good. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And I'll show you the insides in case you guys are interested. It comes with a wig comb on the top, wig comb on the bottom, some deodorant, and adjustable straps. I want to rock it the way Keke J was rocking it. So let me go ahead and put this bad boy on. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, look like Rick James. Rick James. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and fluff it out a bit. Just using my hands to try to get these curls ununiformed. And already it's looking so good. What? Let me find out. Let me find out. Literally, I'm just taking my hands and just pulling it through. I think I'm gonna have to do some cutting though. But so far, it is looking bomb diggity. Pull it up some more. Now the package does say that it's heat resistant. I don't know why you would want to put heat on it. Up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes. Give me life. Give me life, sis. Give me life. Alright. Just trying to get some more of the non-uniform look. You can kind of see this a little bit, so I'm trying to hide that as well. This on the inside. All right, now I need my pick. All right, let me go get my pick and I'll be right back. Got my pick. All right, let's see if this will some more magic, some razzle dazzle. And I definitely need to do some cutting and some trimming. I'm afraid to do cutting because I am not the best cutter in the world. So I'm afraid that if I cut this, I'm so scared. Like if I cut it, will I mess it up? Because I don't want to mess it up. I mean, it's $18, but I'm doing a tutorial. Like, why would I want to mess this up? Okay, let's see. I'm so scared. Just do a little bit. Okay. Do that. I feel like I messed that up. I'm trying to like not get the curls like too defined. I'm just trying to rough this up down here. Maybe if I put on some door knockers, it will help me kind of like get a better look. A better look. What it would look like. Okay, yeah. I feel like I look like Beyonce in the Work It Out video. See, you gotta work it out. You gotta work it out. Mama gotta work it out. That's what I'm giving you. I'm giving you those teas right now. Alright, let me just, oh, I'm so scared to cut this. I'm so scared to cut it. I need to shake it out. Let me just try. I don't know if y'all can hear Tamia in the background fussing with my husband. Let's see. Ooh, wait. Just do a snippety snip, snip, snips. Yeah, that's so much better. You see that? You see the difference? So I think I just need to like frame cut it. Look the same way. And I get scared and I don't have confidence in myself. But I slayed this wig. Yes, I did. Let me just cut a little bit of that. And frame it. Oh, your girl is hype right now. Alright, so this is what this wig is giving right now. And it's giving me all kinds of yes. All kinds of yes. I know that people like do like this and all of that. That is whack. No, we need to give it some body. Some body. Alright, so I'm not gonna mess with the curls anymore because the more and more I wear it, the more it's gonna get frizzier. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. But can I let y'all know that this wig is fire? It is fire. So like I said, I'll put the link below. It's gonna be affiliate link. Sorry. But I'm gonna put the link below on where I purchased the hair. On Amazon, the actual link, I told you it was $18.99. And if you're Amazon Prime, you get it the next day. And when I tell you, if you got an event to go to and your bundles didn't come in on time, yes. This is the wig for you. I'm so hyped right now. Like, I don't even want to put my weave in my hair right now. Like, I want to just rock this wig. Like, I'm loving it. Okay, me again. I realized that I never showed you guys the back, so this is what the back looks like. pictures in the bathroom, so my thumbnail is gonna be this right here because I have my daytime lighting in here. But you girls, I'm myself. The only thing is like this. So I'm thinking to avoid like the wind blowing back, like maybe you could just add some of your hair out in the border, so that you don't see this whole thing going on, because that would be embarrassing. You thinking you cute and then the wind blows you away and then it's like a whole hot mess. But yeah, girl. Yeah, so here's the back. I don't know how the back is looking, so if it looks a mess, then just be patient with me. But this is the way it looks. Let me go. It's 8:19 and my baby's crying, which means she needs mama to put her to sleep. So if you guys have any questions, leave them below. Like, comment, subscribe. I do apologize that I don't upload that often. It is hard when you are a first-time mom and you work a full-time job, 50 hours a week. But yeah, comment below. I do have a vlog coming up because I'm having some issues with my hair vendor. So be on the lookout for that vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next video.